In e-mobility, the number of modern high-performance charging stations is constantly increasing. However, the difficulty often lies in enabling the user to handle the heavy charging cable easily and safely. Our ChargeRail Plus cable management system offers a practical, highly efficient and reliable solution, exactly where the user needs it. The charging cable is made available through a motorized C-rail system, which can be operated using a radio remote control, a pull cord, or a fixed push button. Following the charging process, the charging cable is securely returned to the parking position. Our ChargeRail Plus cable management system is individually configurable and can thus be adapted precisely to your requirements. Therefore, an unlimited number of customized charging cable designs can be used.